Hello everybody, welcome to another Valheim video. Are you interested in joining Val-Con 2026? Val-Con is a fan-led Valheim convention. The first one was in 2025, and I'll tell you a little bit about that now. They rounded up a bunch of Valheim content creators, and then we all kind of worked together and submitted some content to host this 24-hour long Valheim live stream. You can actually find the live stream if you want to see it. It's split up into two parts on the Val-Con YouTube channel, which you can find a link to in the description of this video. A couple days ago, I had a chat with one of the lead event coordinators for Val-Con, Bjorno. And if you want to see that it was live streamed, you can watch the whole live stream right here, where Bjorno goes into detail about what he's expecting from Val-Con 2026, and also what he learned from Val-Con 2025. This is where he reveals that Val-Con 2026 is not going to be a 24-hour live stream. Instead, it's going to be something else. And that's why he's invited all of us to come to the server and be involved and figure out what Val-Con 2026 should be. Go into the description of this video and look for the Discord invite link. This will get you into the Val-Con Discord server. And this is the place to be to stay updated about what's happening. Because we still have plenty of time. Things are still up in the air. And we're looking for more people to work together on this project. So if you are interested, then here is what you can do to be involved with Val-Con 2026. If you know somebody who has a really cool Valheim project that they'd like to show off, or some kind of Valheim thing they'd like to produce or share, or even just somebody who loves Valheim and you know they'd love to be involved, then let them know. Send them this video and we can start planning what 2026's Val-Con is going to be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.